Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to tell you how to change voice in game on any Hyperos device. So by the way guys, I am using Redmi Note 13 device which is updated on Hyperos. So let's take any game like a Free Fire, and we don't have any option for changing the voice here. So what you gonna do, all you guys have to do, just go to security app and then scroll down so that we have an option of a game turbo. So just tap on a game turbo guys. Okay, now just click to plus option and just add the game Free Fire. You can also add all the game like PUBG, Call of Duty and other games. So when I add the game, so just go back. Now all you guys have to do, just tap to the game here. So now as you see, we have an option of game turbo here, and you guys also see we have option of a voice changer. So just tap on a voice changer and we can change our voice. If you tap on the original, so we have original voice on the game. We can also have a girl voice option, woman voice option, cartoon, which is very favorite for all, and robot and man. So these are all the options for voice changing. We can select anything and use these voices in game. So that's how guys we can change the voice in any Hyperos device. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.